Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and introduction of the LV-BAT-W5.12Da home energy storage wall-mounted battery. I am the engineer presenting this video. Before we begin unboxing, please ensure that your environment meets the following requirements. Upon receiving the battery, first check that the packaging is intact. Only open the box after confirming there is no damage. Then, verify that all components are complete and undamaged according to the packing list. Included components: product manual, 1 grounding cable, 2 power cables, 1 red, 1 black, 2 foot cushion screws and 8 fixed box, 4 RJ45 crystal head, 4 lock wall pendant, 2 communication cables, 1 wall mount bracket, 2 foot pads, 2 hanging bracket, 1 battery unit. If any components are missing or damaged, please contact your dealer immediately. LV-BAT-W5.12Da LV-AP04 cells, 5.12 kWh, 51.2 V, 100 Ah, solid performance. 50A charge/discharge, max 100A, handles daily loads easily. IP20 protection, floor/wall mountable, small spaces fit, 150 mm spacing, indoor use recommended. Key highlight: color LCD screen, check SOC, voltage, current, pack, single cell voltage, cells, fault info, alarm. Built-in smart BMS, real-time D/I/T monitoring, overcharge/discharge/current/temp protection. 350A/3 ms short circuit resistance for extra safety. Connect to inverters via RS232/RS485/CAN, RJ45, up to 15 units parallel, 76.8 kWh max, stable, -20 degrees Celsius, discharge, to 55 degrees Celsius, charge, 0.6000 cycles at 80% DOD, 5-year warranty. LV-BAT-W5.12Da, a reliable, durable choice for home energy storage.